Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today I am closing down July. I'm going to be finishing off looking at everything else that I've spent over this month, and then I'm going to be going back through my last few weeks of July, having a look and seeing where I've really maybe overspent or where I can afford to spend a little bit more, just so I can plan my budget really well for August. It has been an unusual month because I don't often do lots of going out and things like that, but this month I've sort of like get everything in, compressed everything into July, I think, just so that I can concentrate on my own family and home and my own business as well at home. So we've done a lot of things in a very short space of time. Been very enjoyable, but if you want to find out a little bit more, then come on in. Hi everyone, my name's Samantha. I'm a mum to 2 children. I quit my full-time teaching job last year to go part-time self-employed, set up my own tutoring business, as well as doing lots of little side hustles and lots of little things to help make sure I can live a really good life without spending too much money. So if you think that is something of interest to you, I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the little thumbs up icon, and then why not go and click the little bell notification so that you know every single time that I upload a video. Because not only is this community amazing and everyone is genuinely fantastic, but it is also free, which is our favourite prize of all this fun for free, and it just makes my day. And if you're already subscribed, then of course you already know how much I love you. Thank you so much. Right, let's get stuck into the rest of my very spendy month. So I was in 2 minds as to whether to go up to Scotland to see my auntie and uncle, and I have gone. I'm just recently back, so yeah, we did go in the end, because when I counted through the end of my last video, I went to see how much I'd actually got left in those envelopes, and I thought it was going to be worse than it was. It wasn't too bad. So I know when we go to Scotland, it's quite chilled and laid back and everything else. So we don't really need to spend too much money, although I did spend a bit more on eating out than I'd hoped I might have done, but there we go. So let's have a look what I actually spent. On the 28th, it was a no spend day. There we go. And then on the 29th, I actually put in a little bit more petrol. I did still have some left, even though I went to Alton Towers and Blackpool twice. So I didn't need to put in too much just to top up the tanks, but I put 20 in to make sure I could get there, basically. And then when I came back, I topped up again, just to make sure we were fine for coming back. So I did 2 sort of separate infills of petrol, if you like. And then when I got there as well, I also took some wine and chocolate, so spent £10 on those. And then I'm just going to do like I did last time, which is where I just sort of split all these rather than writing down all my, individual eats and everything else. I'll be here all week eating out, and it came to a total of £83, which was like, oh yeah, that's quite a lot. That's on me, but we had a nice time and things like that, so I don't mind. And then on the 30th, we also did go for a game of mini golf, which was like £5 each, but Alexander was free, which, considering how much he just enjoyed chasing the ball, is fair enough. Have you ever tried to play mini golf with a 2-year-old? Anyway, yeah, so that's how much I managed to spend. So let's highlight all the different things we've got going on. Petrol. And gifts. Oh, where's my yellow envelope? Yellow envelope. Where's my yellow? I move things around. Love it when I move things around. I'll come back to that in a second. Mini golf, which was days out. Oh, do you know? That's over on the other side as well. Because I use this room for when I'm making different bits and bobs. What have I got now? Mini golf. And was that everything? Oh, eating out, which was green. Find my yellow one. No, I can't say it, so I'm just gonna. I've got a yellow felt tip instead. We'll get the gist. So yes, that was our little adventures, kind of, pretty much over with. It has been a really busy July. If you're new here, then honestly, this is not a typical kind of month for me at all. So now what I'm going to do is go through and see what I actually spent as well. So I didn't include this when I did my check-in for week 4, which is a bit naughty. So where are we? Trying to think. Food. Lots of eating out. Gosh, look at that. 83 and 60 and 10. That is a lot. Okay, so why have I done that? What did I do here? That's really confused me now. Why have I put it like that? Oh, I know. Because I gave my friend some money for the food. I was like, why have I... Yeah. I gave my friend money for the shopping that she did at home and cooking at home. So that's right. Gosh. Oh my goodness, look at that spend. I'm going to feel like I'm going to need a calculator actually. No, I'm going to do it in my head. Going to be good. 60, 70, 104, 187. 187? Oh gosh. That's really naughty, isn't it? Where's my week 4? I put 40 in there. Good job I've been building that up, isn't it? I can't remember whether some of that might have actually gone into there. Probably did. Probably did. As long as it all gets written down. This is why I should do it every single time I check in, and I forget. So dozy. I need to put everything back. I used to have a binder and a booklet or something. I might need to start doing that again, just to sort myself out, make sure I'm not forgetting things. Right, days out. All right, let me just fill this in. Okay, now once that's done, I feel like I need an overview as well. I have got documents, and because I didn't get into the habit of using them, I now don't use them. Just normally, if I get a chance to film a video, I've got to like strike whilst I can with having the little monkey around. Right, let's see what we've got. Petrol will be quite a high spend, around 30, 40, 50. So that's where, yeah, that's my last week 3. So all this is week 4 going forwards. Right, I'm with you. 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. Oh my goodness. This is just, it's scary because it's just not me. I don't do such crazy things. Where have I gone? Days out. So 30, 40. Night. Date night. Obviously nothing. Beauty. Beauty one gone because I did 111, wasn't it? And then, yeah, recycled, so that was okay. Gifts here, 10, 15. And groceries, this peachy colour, so 38 here. We'll have to do a big spend, a big shop tomorrow. I'm still eating through the freezer stuff. I didn't realise how much rubbish I threw in there, honestly. Because I batch cook quite a lot as well, so anything, I just make portions extra and then throw it in. So it's good. It means I can really pull back for August now. So, and time for me, well, no, that did not happen this month, really. So I'm scared to look at some of these totals. Like if I go through now, and clearly this is my biggest week of spending. Just have a good look. I feel like, yeah, if I do 187. Let's just round some of these, honestly. We'll call it near enough £200 on eating out. And it's slightly less, but just so. And I've got 40, 66, 70. Didn't happen. Beauty, gosh. That's a lot, isn't it? Considering when I first started this, I literally didn't spend anything on me. I do need my nails doing soon as well, because, well, not have much growth, but I feel like this one's starting to split. So gifts, 15. Yeah, because I had a big birthday, didn't I? We'll just call that 55. And I know I did spend the other bit, but that went on Eliza, and it was like a separate challenge. I'm not including it from my envelopes, really. Petrol. Oh, do I want to know? Why have I done that there? 11.79. Oh, looking at the wrong one. I was thinking, there's no way I would spend 11.79 on petrol. 35. So 145, 185. 185, but I've done a lot of travelling this month. It used to be not even like maybe a third of that. Time for me. This, we'll call it 25. And groceries, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We'll call it £80. That's not too bad. But I do need to do a massive shop. A massive shop. There we go. That is my numbers. So when I'm looking at this clearly, let's grab this highlighter. This has been my biggest spend this month, but like I said, it's not a typical as this. And beauty, gosh, look at that. That's a bit silly. I feel like I don't feel silly for spending the money on myself, but I feel like, gosh, things are expensive. And then when I look at where I haven't, things like groceries, time for me, they could really, days out, you know, I don't tend to spend a lot on days out at all, so it's not too bad. Yeah, I want to pull some of them back. I don't want to be spending, and I won't spend that much here, especially in August now. I'm not going to work. And yeah, I'm just going to try and catch up with myself over the summer holidays, basically. That is my plan. So there we go. That is July all checked out. So I'm ready to start my August budget. How have we got to August already? Like, this is I'm excited because it's a whole year of being on YouTube. Yeah, I'm excited for the changes that I've got planned over the next few weeks. Just yay. I am. Right, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you really, really soon. Bye.